I married my wife after the K-1 visa. I already have a green card. But now, after a year, we're divorced, live in different states. Can I remove the conditions on my green card? Okay, so a little background for those who don't know. When you come here in a fiancé visa, um, you're going to get a conditional green card, but it says I already has a green card. So you're going to get a conditional green card. It expires in 2 years. Anytime you get a green card based on marriage, and that marriage is not at least 2 years old when you applied for that green card, you're going to get what's called a conditional green card, which means it has all the same power and use of a regular green card. It just has a 2-year expiration date instead of a 10-year. All other green cards have a 10-year expiration date, right? And you renew it every 10 years. A conditional green card expires in 2 years, and it's a little different than a standard green card renewal in that you have to prove, once again, that that was a legitimate marriage. So back to your question was, what if we got divorced? Can I now do removal of conditions? The short answer is yes. The longer answer is you're going to have a little more work to do to prove that, yes, this was legit, it was sincere. It's just the marriage didn't work out, and we divorced in less than 2 years before my green card expired. We divorced, and now I would like to remove conditions. So it's absolutely possible. In fact, it's somewhat common, I want to say. So a lot of people have successfully done it. You will just have to convince them that you did get married, you did cohabitate, you did live together, you did really make a genuine effort. It was a genuine relationship. You really tried it, but for whatever reason, it just didn't work out. Now, where it's a little easier for you is if there was abuse, which happens unfortunately. And I don't read that in your question, so I don't want to imply, but just for anybody else who might be listening, if you came here and you were abused by your U.S. citizen or green card spouse, and you have records of that, that is very good information that you can provide to say, look, we tried, but he was abusive, and here's a couple police records where the police came out, or here's a documentation from a clinic where I had to get treatment for some abuse. These are things you want to add. A complicated situation, you really need to reach out and ask for help on it. But the answer is yes, absolutely, it can be done.